Now see, find out, do you know anyone who has had malaria? So write, if you knowing that anyone has malaria, no, you have to write like this: yes, one of my friend once suffered from malaria. Now see, next question is, how did they find out that they had malaria? As we saw in this lesson, blood test, by blood test, it was found by the blood test, right? You answer like this. Then what problems did they have on having malaria? So you have to write here symptoms like this: my friend suffer from high fever, then the fever come with bouts of shivering, he become weak. These symptoms you have to write here. Now, what other disease can be caused by mosquito bites? Like malaria, dengue, chikungunya, and filaria also causes of mosquito bite. In which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happen? In rainy season. Because in rainy season, no, dump water are the in many places we can see the water stored in the tires and pit. So rainy season, in rainy season we malaria more common, because mosquito gets suitable environment to breed on in rainy season to grow them. So next question is, what do you do in your house to protect yourself from mosquito? To protect yourself from mosquito. And also find out from your friends about what they do. So we can protect ourselves from mosquito by using coils, liquids, mats, nets of mosquitoes, then mosquito repellent cream like Odomos and all, keeping the surrounding clean. We can also protect ourselves from this mosquito by doing this thing. Now see, look at the report of the blood test given here. Which words in the report help us to know that the person has malaria? You can see the report here. Report of Rajat's blood test here. This report giving lots of information. You can see the name of Rajat here, then age, and he male or female. Then diagnosis. Means what is the symptoms of in his body got that he suffer from fever with chills and rigors. So, and which word showing that person, means Rajat has malaria? These lines: malaria parasite found in blood sample. This line shows the Rajat has malaria. Now see, medicine for malaria in olden days, no, from earlier times, in olden days, the dry and powder bark of cinchona trees was used to make a medicine for malaria. Earlier people used to boil the bark of powder and strain the water which was given to the patient. Now tablets are made from this. Means what is the medicine of for malaria? There is a one tree named cinchona, and it is bark. Bark means outside part of the this trunk of this tree. It is used to make medicine. So it's make in a fine powder. And in earlier time, no, people were used to boil this bark powder and then they give to that patient. But nowadays tablets are made are available by made from this cinchona's trees bark powder. You can see here tablets. So these tablets are giving to the malaria patient. Now let's move ahead. Now see here one disease also. That student Aarti Rajat and Jaskirat also talking about the anemia. So what is that? We will learn. What is that? See, Aarti said to other their friends like Rajat and Nancy and Jaskirat, Aarti, I also had to get a blood test done, but they took a syringe full of blood, and the blood test showed that I had anemia. When I did the test, that test showed that I had anemia. So Rajat said, "What is that? What is the anemia?" So Arti said, a doctor said that there is a less hemoglobin, means HB, means iron. So there is low hemoglobin, there is a less iron in her blood, and the doctor gave some medicine to eat her for strength, and he also said that she should eat jaggery, amla, and more green leafy vegetable because these have irons. So what doctor said to Arti? She should take green leafy vegetable, jaggery and amla for her good strength, because in this food there is iron. This jaggery, amla and green leafy vegetable are iron rich food. Now Nancy's wonder, how can there be iron in our blood? How can there be iron in our blood? So what Jaskira said, there was something about this in newspaper, and I read that yesterday about anemia. So Rajat laughing and said to the Arti, so then you ate iron or what? Then Arti said, silly, that is not actual iron. That is not iron used to make these kids and other things. I don't know also exactly what is the iron, and after ate a lot of vegetable and the amla and jaggery, as doctor said, that time my hemoglobin went up, my hemoglobin increased after eating all this iron rich food. Now see, here is report is given in newspaper, anemia common in Delhi. Delhi school, lots of students suffering from the anemia in Delhi school. In 17 November 2007, thousands of children studying in this municipal corporation school in Delhi, they suffer from anemia. These affect both the physical and mental health of the children. So what is the symptoms of this anemia? They affecting both the physical and mental health of the children. And due to anemia, children do not grow well. Due to anemia, underline this, children do not grow well, and their energy level are low. In energy decrease, and these also affect their ability to study properly. They not able to concentrate their study. So now health check-up are being done in the schools, and health cards are being made for all the children, and anemia children are also being given iron tablets. For this student, those are suffering from anemia, the doctor gave, after medical checkup, the doctor gave to them iron tablets to recover this anemia. And what is the symptom of anemias? So anemias is a deficiency disease, means is a lack of iron. And what is the symptoms of anemia? It affect to physical and mental health of children, and it's affect on also growth of the children, and energy level will decrease, and lack of concentration in study. These are the symptoms of anemia. Now see, this picture is showing iron rich food. Which are that? That is green vegetables, then peanuts, nuts, eggs, meat, then groundnuts also, pulses, then tomatoes. So these all are iron rich food. If you are suffering from anemia, then if you have lack of iron in your body, that time you should take this iron rich food.